This is the Kia EV3, and it may be one of the most important compact EVs in the current market because this model brings design, technology, and range expectations from larger EV segments into a smaller format. Visually, the EV3 is a study in digital tiger face evolution. Notice the vertical headlamp clusters. They aren't just aesthetic. They're positioned to emphasize the vehicle's width and planted stance. The drag coefficient is a remarkable 0.26 CD. For a boxy SUV, that is an aerodynamic triumph. Look at the 3D engineered underbody covers and the active air flaps. Kia isn't just fighting the wind, they're negotiating with it. Those squared-off wheel arches aren't just for toughness. They house aero-optimized wheels designed to minimize turbulent wake. It's rugged, yet mathematically precise. The EV3 clearly follows Kia's latest design language. The front section appears upright, with a strong emphasis on vertical lighting elements. This creates a more structured and modern visual identity. Compared to traditional compact SUVs, the EV3 looks more geometric, with sharper transitions between surfaces from the side profile. The proportions are carefully balanced. The wheelbase appears relatively long, which is important for interior packaging. At the same time, the short overhangs suggest a focus on efficiency and space optimization. At the rear, the vertical lighting layout continues, reinforcing a consistent design theme. Overall, this is not a design focused on aggression, but rather on clarity, structure, and aerodynamic efficiency. Step into the living space. This is where Kia's CCNC, the connected car navigation cockpit, takes center stage. We are looking at a nearly 30-inch widescreen display, a 12.3-inch cluster, a 5-inch climate segment, and another 12.3-inch infotainment unit. But the real story is the materials. Kia is utilizing 10 defined sustainable items, including recycled PET in the seats and headliner. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels conscious. Technically, the integration of the sliding console table and the fold-back relaxation seats shows a deep understanding of human ergonomics during charging intervals. And with the AI assistant integration, the car isn't just responding to commands, it's anticipating needs based on your driving patterns. Moving inside, the EV3 adopts a layout that clearly reflects Kia's latest EV architecture. The dashboard is structured around a wide horizontal interface. This separation is important because it reduces the need to navigate through multiple layers for basic functions. Compared to systems where everything is integrated into a single screen, this approach improves real-world usability. Especially while driving, the interface layout itself appears clean and logically organized, with a focus on information clarity rather than visual complexity. This is particularly relevant in compact EVs, where screen overload can quickly reduce user experience quality. Material selection also reflects a shift toward sustainability, with the use of recycled plastics and bio-based materials. However, beyond sustainability, surface texture and finish suggest an effort to maintain a premium perception within a lower price segment. From an ergonomic standpoint, the seating position is relatively upright, which improves visibility and makes the vehicle easier to use. In urban environments, seat structure appears optimized for long-duration comfort rather than aggressive lateral support. This aligns with the EV3's purpose as a daily use vehicle rather than a performance-oriented model. Legroom and headroom benefit directly from the extended wheelbase, which allows a more efficient distribution of cabin space. Compared to traditional compact SUVs, the flat floor design, enabled by the EV platform, creates a more open and flexible interior environment. Storage solutions also appear to be integrated efficiently, with a center console design that prioritizes accessibility rather than visual complexity. In terms of technology, the EV3 is expected to include over-the-air update capability, advanced driver assistance systems, and connected services. This places it closer to higher segment EVs rather than entry-level compact models. However, as with most global EV platforms, feature availability may vary depending on region. Overall, the interior of the EV3 is not designed to impress through complexity, but rather through clarity, efficiency, and everyday usability. The EV3 features a fourth-generation NCM battery. The long-range variant packs a 81.4 kilowatt-hour punch. In this segment, that is staggering. We are looking at a projected WLTP range of 600 kilometers. To achieve this in a compact footprint, Kia has increased the energy density by 22% compared to previous generations. This isn't just a bigger battery, it's a smarter battery with enhanced thermal management systems that ensure performance doesn't degrade in extreme temperatures. While the EV3 utilizes a 400-volt architecture rather than the 800-volt system of its larger siblings, don't let that fool you. It can still pull a 10 to 80% charge in 31 minutes. More importantly, the iPedal 3.0 introduces a truly sophisticated regenerative braking system. It allows for one-pedal driving with varying levels of intensity, maximizing energy recuperation without the jerky feel of early EVs. It's smooth, linear, and incredibly efficient. The EV3 is a direct heat-seeking missile aimed at the Volvo EX30 and the smart number 1. But here's the technical edge. The Kia offers significantly more interior volume and a more robust software stack than the Volvo. While the EX30 focuses on minimalism to a fault, the EV3 focuses on functional futurism. It's positioned as the rational luxury choice, giving you flagship range in a city-friendly footprint. From a market perspective, the EV3 sits below larger models like the EV6, but inherits many of their features. Compared to other compact EVs, the EV3 focuses more on range efficiency, interior usability, and overall balance, rather than pure performance. The 2027 Kia EV3 is a statement. It proves that entry-level does not have to mean compromised. By porting the technology of the EV9 into this segment, Kia has effectively raised the floor for the entire industry. If you're looking for the highest tech per dollar ratio in the current market, the search ends here. The EV3 isn't just leading its class, it's defining it. The Kia EV3 represents a shift toward more accessible but still capable electric vehicles. It does not aim to dominate in a single category, but instead offers a balanced approach between design, technology, and efficiency. This makes it a strong contender in the growing compact EV segment. I'm Ava. See you in the next video.